What's up, guys? It's me with another video. Take two. What's up, internet? It's your girl here with another video. Today we are going to be back with Animal Jam. So today we're going to be a crazy idiot and just do parties. Okay. Or maybe we should do lucky clovers. See how lucky we are. Wait, I should turn into a bird. Do 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 do. Wait, look at all my animals. Do 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 do. Okay, there. Now we can go into the lucky clovers, so I can cheat. Just cheat. Now that spring is here, everything is green and beautiful. In honor of my favorite time of year, I'm trying to collect as many lucky clovers as I can. There are 50 lucky clovers hidden among the clover patches. For every 10 lucky clovers you can find, I will give you a key to one of those glittering treasure chests. If you can find all 50 lucky clovers, I'll give you the epic key which opens the huge epic treasure chest. The smaller treasure chests are filled with amazing den items. An epic treasure chest, and the epic treasure chest is filled with rare accessories. Rumor has it that the epic treasure chest sometimes even contains spiked collars and wristbands. I hope you are lucky enough to find one. Oh my god! Is that actually true? Is that true? Yikes. Okay, I can take that. Oh, wait, no, Cred. Dad, scream. Pretend you never saw that, okay? I'm just gonna put it there. Okay. Now let's continue on our journey. I can't believe it. You can get spiked collars. Speaked collars. Are you speaking serious? You get it? I hate myself. Doesn't everyone hate themselves? No. Is it just me? It's just me, myself, and I. Sorry. Do 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 do. Yo, I'm cool. I hate myself and I'm cruel. I just made that up right now. Oh no, I'm going to die now. I don't know. I don't really know. I had a lot of sugar, so yeah. Now I know why I turned into a bird. Knew it. Let's go. Wait, what I love to do on adventures is like to get my little map. Let's go this way. This way. This way. See, I was too lazy to check in here, but I did. So yeah. Sorry if you hear like a noise in the background. It's my computer, it's overheating. Oh, wow. Wow, that was quick. Take this key and open one of the treasure chests to claim your prize. I'm gonna get a spike. Wait. Oh, that was for the epic chest. Crud. Oh, wait, awesome. Wait, let me just get that. Sorry if you hear that overheating sound. My computer's overheating. Shut up, computer. Make too much noise like my sister. She's so annoying. I hate her. No, really, I do. Hate my sister. She stole my iPhone charger. She stole my iPad charger. She stole my headphones. And she stole my cord for my TV. And this is all I have left. Computer. And she also took my phone. Not a freaking thief. Where's this place again? Forgot. I can't find the place where chests are anymore. Wait, I think I found it. I think I found it. Nope, not the place. Can't find it! It's freaking... Let me zoom up closer. Where is it? And I don't see it anywhere. Oh, it's right there. It's right there. I see it. I see it. Okay, it's right there. So yeah, I made myself a diary. And I'm gonna bring it to school tomorrow. So yeah. That's always great. Just gonna write in it like, oh my god, I hate Stephanie. I call Stephanie her. Yay, lucky pillow. I'm actually Irish, so I love all this stuff. Oh, I already have that. I already have that table. Hello, Patrick. Oh, who lives in a pineapple under the sea? I hate you. I hate you. I love you. Oh my god, stop singing. Never getting back together. It's so musical. Musically. Ah, Clover, it's so pretty. I love it. Make all my armpits are so sweaty. I could like eat them and still be hungry. That's how weird I am. And you're gonna see more weird stuff in my diary. If you ever read it or find it. Well, if you do find it, I'll kill you. I know where you live. Never getting back for trouble. You thought I was gonna sing that song? No. Bet you didn't. Try me. Pick it up. Pick the damn clover up. We are never, ever, ever, ever getting back for trouble. That song? Yeah, I'm leaving. You started glitching out on me. You know what? Catch me outside, how about? Oh no. Well, I'm stuck here. I can't leave, so you know what? Gotta make the rest of it. Dance, hoodie, dance, 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 get on, dance. This is my bro, Keegan and me. I can eat your family. It's super easy, just find me and I'll eat your family. I'll eat your mom, I'll eat your dad, I'll even eat your sister if you want me. Your dad paid me to eat your family. Oh, this is awkward. I dance like firework, and my claws are blue. I can look cool, but I don't know, 'cause I have no eyes and I can't see why. I can't look cool, I am so cruel. I can't look cool when I do my nails. Ooh, ooh. Hello, I'm Keegan. I like to eat butt cheeks, and I like to eat moms mostly. And yeah. Okay, we're gonna do like a show talking with all the people around this place. I think I saw a polar bear somewhere. This polar bear dude. Oh no! That sucks. Whatever. Just gonna go talk to the dudes around that clever place. Jesus. And my teenage sister is being dramatic. You didn't buy me nail polish yesterday. Ugh, no, my sister's fighting with my mom because she's like, you didn't buy me my nail polish yesterday. God, you're the worst mom ever. And I don't even know what nail polish is. I'm joking, of course I know. I'm going online to see what it is. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Let me just go on Google. See what nail polish is. 'Cause I don't know what the crap it is. Ooh, Google Italia. Cool. What was I gonna write? Oh, what is nail polish made of? I'm gonna see nail polish Wikipedia. Wikipedia. Wiki. Okay. Base coat, top coat, gel. I don't know what this stuff is. History, ingredients, types. Base coat. What's a base coat? Top coat. What's a top coat? I'm gonna take a guess here. I think you put it on top of your nails to make it look glossy. Gel. Like, is that like face gel, but for nails? Matty. I have no idea. Shellac. In fashion. Ooh, I want to see what's in fashion. Ooh. Wait, maybe if I go to Instagram, maybe that'll give me something good. Discover people. Yeah, hello. It's Monday. Grab some coffee. Who's this girl? I love this picture. Following her for no reason. Baby Angela Adventures. What the fudge? It's been up. Man, this stuff's cool, but whatever. Tyler Oakley, I know him. Why didn't I follow him earlier? Whatever. Nail polish X polish expert. Okay, well, I'm gonna end the video here, like right here, because like I can't end it anywhere else. Like I'm at my home. So, oh wait, let me just see this. Oh my god! Do you see how many followers she has? I only have 3. Oh, she's so famous. Oh my god, look at these nails. Jesus, they're beautiful. I need to follow this damn girl. Jesus. Oh my